Ganapati Bappa is here, guys. See, it's an Indian restaurant here. Fortunately, today also weather is very nice, so we just came outside again to explore because our exploration is still pending a lot. Still need to see so many places over here, and even we had very nice breakfast, so it already makes us feel very heavy. So guys, we came outside, but now it started raining. Like, it's very minor rain. I cannot even show you in the video, but like if you see my specs, see, you can see the glare of water on it, the small dots. So it starts raining over here. I hope it will not go a lot.
From where you are?
Guys, I have reached. This is the area. As you can see. But need to check like what is the route and till where they are going and which places they are taking. Guys, the guy cannot speak English, but he show us a boat. I will show you it. As you can see, like this is the route for this boat from this canal. So as we board on this boat right now, I don't know what time they will go because it's very difficult to get the information from them. But this is a mode of going from one place to another place because this canal is connecting the whole island here. So as you can listen, the engine roar right now. These are the tickets, guys. See, this is what we got, 14 baht. This is one of like the cheapest way to accommodate in Thailand anywhere through this canal. It's kind of a water bus only over here. Guys, we came off from the boat, but it was very nice. And now we see this a golden type of pagoda here, so we are just moving towards that pagoda right now to the road by walking only. As you can see that pagoda, so we are just walking toward that. Look at this place right now. The site is very beautiful. We came through here. This is the boat by which we came. Guys, look at the streets. Some of the streets remind me of my local only. This alley also like feels like very local to me. We just entered in this small ice cream bar. Here we're going to try some ice cream. See guys, the presentation. Look at it, man. So pretty. Just look like 2 scoop upside down. Oh, it's fire brigade. Just near to wooden area. Very nice concept. Yeah. I think it's a whole wooden market only. All shops are related to this woodwork. Not sure, but who?
Yeah?
So we reaches to this mount, Golden Mount. Ah, wow, guys, wow! Look at it. Look at this. So this is basically a temple, and look at this, man. This is so much clean and so much peaceful here. I'm not that much aware with the culture, but still.
Which want to come here?
Wow, guys.
Welcome. Please
Take off your shoes.
Look at me, Davesh. It's nice.
Yeah.
I think this vlog will be very nice, yeah? Whoever's living here, so it's just kind of a
Maybe, yeah. That can be possible.
They have ticket.
It's royal family's house also.
You want to see? You need to wear clothes like this.
But entrance is here or what? It says up.
Yeah. The entrance is there and all the rest, you know what we will do.
As this place is very peaceful, man. Even each and every element you can just see, like we just there, and we already spent our half an hour till only this much area, and we have to go so long upstairs.
Yeah, do it.